The LG 32UR500K-B Ultrafine 32-inch is about to blow your mind. You know how it feels when you're stuck in a world of mediocre screens, struggling to see every detail in your favorite shows or games? Well, this monitor is like a breath of fresh air. A game changer that makes everything pop with vibrant colors and razor-sharp clarity. With its 4K UHD display, that's 3840 by 2160 pixels for you tech heads, you'll feel like you're immersed in the action. But what really sets this monitor apart is its HDR10 DCI-P3 capabilities. That means you get to experience true-to-life colors, with up to 90% of the color gamut expression. Think richer, deeper hues that bring your visuals to life. No more dull, washed-out colors. No more missing out on the full range of emotions in your favorite movies or TV shows. And it's not just about looks. This monitor also packs a punch when it comes to sound. With built-in stereo speakers and Waves MaxxAudio tech, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Every explosion, every crash, every thrilling moment is amplified to perfection. It's like having your own personal cinema in your living room. But what about gaming? Well, let me tell you, this monitor has got it covered. With dynamic action sync, you'll experience a pro-level experience that's almost as fast as real-time gaming. Reduced input lag and unbelievable performance mean you can respond to every moment of the action without missing a beat. And then there's black stabilizer, which makes it easier to see what's going on in dark scenes. It's like having a superpower. You'll be able to spot enemies, navigate through treacherous terrain, or simply enjoy your favorite shows and movies with ease. But let's talk about ergonomics for a second. The ergonomic stand makes it easy to adjust the tilt of the screen to your perfect viewing position. No more straining your neck or squinting at the monitor. This thing is designed to put you in the sweet spot every time. On-screen control software installation required. So, what can you expect when you buy this LG 32UR500K-B Ultrafine 32-inch? A world of enhanced visuals and immersive sound. No more mediocre screens with this baby. Every detail matters. Get ready to upgrade your viewing experience and join the ranks of the visually blessed.